Fix Plumbing, main sewer camera inspection at 3202 Dunnica Avenue. As you can see, we're in the outgoing line from the newly installed yard vent. This is right where the backup starts. I'm going to push in just to show you. Probably went in another 3 to 4 feet. And right here we're at the blockage. You'll see when I pull back where it begins. This is the rest of the clay pipe leading back to the repair at the trap. Here we are in the newly installed line. And here we are back at the trap. So I got that broken spot located in the middle of the street at 12 feet deep. It's going to need to be excavated and repaired in order to continue to check the rest of the line leading to the main. With that being said, that'll complete this camera inspection at Dunnica Avenue. And again, we are Sure Fix Plumbing.